Description: dial down discoloration with this vegan cult classic that effectively eliminates brassy, ashy and muddy tones to keep hues true with the ultimate shade maintained for ultra-luminous locks and blondes that shine brighter than ever. Benefits: instantly eliminates brassy, ashy discoloration, boosts natural shine, restores vibrancy and manageability. Suggested use: massage into wet hair, then rinse. For best results, follow with Miracle Repair Reconstructor. Unleash your bombshell blonde with our patented, nature-identical vitamin C complex. Made with 100% vegan ingredients, it's enhanced with pure provitamin B5 for extra nourishment. Get an unmatched shine that ditches the dull and reveals the dazzling. Protect against brassy, ashy, and muddy tones caused by harsh waters and environmental aggressors. Wellness crystals dissolve quickly with water for immediate results. Instantly restore your hair's brilliant blonde and protect against brassy, muddy tones. Top reviews from the United States. Best product for brassiness. Love doing Malibu treatment at home. Less expensive than at salon. Great results. Malibu products are wonderful.